I'm gonna do a D array for bullet in here. Bullets. I'm gonna get the bullets in here. Then I'm gonna make a constant inline D array bullet reference get bullets, and then I'm just gonna do return this bullets. Okay, so I'm gonna return the bullets out of this whole thing, and I'm gonna have a shoot timer where they're gonna shoot. Damage timer float shoot timer, and then float shoot timer max, just like that. And in enemy, in draw, I'm gonna go ahead and do for this bullets dot size. So I'm gonna go through all of them and draw them. And draw them as well. Target dot draw this bullets at position dot get targets. Wait, okay. This bullets at position I dot draw on target. There we go. So now we're drawing the bullets. We are gonna update the bullets, and if it's move left shoot, then it's gonna be able to add bullets to this container. Every enemy is gonna have their bullets container. It won't matter because it's so small, so it doesn't matter. They're not gonna use it. If move left shoot, it's just gonna do a, where is it? Here we go. So let me just initialize stuff first. Timers, where are all the timers? Here we go. Damage timer. Do we have a damage timer? Here we go. This shoot timer equals this shoot timer max. This shoot timer max equals 15.f. Okay. Well, equals 15.f here. Now, if it is a move left shoot, I'm gonna set the shoot timer to 15, and I'm gonna set it there. Max is 15 equals 0, so we're gonna add it. We're gonna go add up to 15, and then once we're at 15 we can shoot again. And then what I'm gonna do is if move left shoot, if shoot timer is less than this move or this shoot timer max, then we're going to add to it this shoot timer plus equals 1.f multiplied by dt this dt multiplier. So we're going to add to it, and as soon as the shoot timer if this shoot timer max break, okay, so I'm gonna make bullet. I think you can shoot it at a direction. Yes, you can. at a direction, and it's gonna move at that direction. So I'm just gonna if shoot timer max or shoot timer is greater or equal to this shoot timer max, this shoot timer equals 0.f. So I'm gonna reset it. Then I'm going to this bullets dot add a bullet, just like with player. So I'm going to go into player, I'm going to copy that bullet, player combat, I think, there we go, and then add a bullet. Now I don't have a bullet sprite, but we're going to have to see what we're going to do. This bullets, let me see if I can do this bullets to add bullet laser texture. So this sprite dot get position, since it's always at the center anyway, so I'm just gonna do that, and then just remove. That makes it a little easier. This is so the direction, there are 3 floats and then the direction. So 3 floats, and this is the direction. So this is the this look direction, this norm look direction actually. And I'm gonna do this at the end. Okay, so this is gonna be shoot. Don't worry, I'll cut this video down, so even though it's long, but we'll finish this actually. So this is going to be, what is it? Position. So it's the position, the scale, direction, velocity, float, acceleration, and in bullet I'm gonna set the scale and the position. I want to set the origin actually to center. This sprite dot set origin to this sprite dot get global bounds dot width divided by 2. This sprite dot get global bounds dot height divided by 2. So I'm gonna set it at center actually, so it won't really matter. That's gonna be good. This sprite dot set position, then we can just set it at the position instead of having to do all this other weird stuff, minus the height and stuff like that. Position, that'll be easier, and then it'll rotate at that point. Okay, so that's the normalized direction. Now I'm going to set the rotation after the origin is set, scale and position is set, and then I'm going to set this sprite dot set rotation a tan 2, this direction dot x dot y, this direction dot x, and then multiplied by 180 divided by, I gotta find that in enemy. I'm gonna get that rotation plus 180, I think, because it always sets it to whatever. And then that is my rotation set. And now it's gonna rotate. Now I just gotta try this. Or no, it won't work. It won't work. It won't work. Enemy. Because of this, I'm just gonna do this for now. There we go. Now I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna see if my own bullets are normal. They're still normal. Yep, and they still work just the way they should. They work just fine. They work just fine. Okay. So now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get this bullet texture. This bullet texture. So I'm gonna do this bullet texture. Where is it? This bullet texture. Let me go into enemy and make a texture pointer. This, no, texture pointer, bullet texture. And what I need is I need to go into Pixlr editor, and I'm just gonna make a small little thing like 100, pretty high resolution though, transparent. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fill it just like that. Somehow make it something, just whatever. Enemy bullet, and just save that in guns for now. Enemy bullet, leave. Now I'm gonna bullet texture. Now in bullet in game, we gotta load this. Now we gotta load this in game, and where we load textures, init textures, and we're gonna. So what did I do? I sent in textures. Enemy follow, okay. Enemy textures. And I gotta send in a bullet texture. So let me I'm gonna do this. In game. What do I have? I have enemy textures. Bunch of these enemy textures, enemy bullet textures, the array. Why not just make one? Textures, enemy texture, enemy. Oh my god! Bullet textures, and then I'm gonna go in here, and I'm gonna do temp.load from file textures. What is it? Guns, enemy bullet texture, enemy bullet textures. I'm just gonna add that, and in enemy, in our constructor, we can just say constructor, where is it? Here. The array textures. Just copy that and then go ahead and do bullet textures. Bullet textures. Go ahead and make the array texture bullet textures as well. So we have another the array in here. Bullet textures. Textures, this bullet textures equals bullet textures, like that. Okay, I don't need a bullet texture in itself, so I have bullet textures, and good. Enum bullet types, and we're gonna have regular. We can have missiles and stuff. Missile. So we're just gonna do this now. Regular, missile, and enemy bullet textures. Let me set bullet textures in here. That's good. And then when we go, what is wrong, dude? Oh, I have to do this. Where's that constructor? Okay, there we go. We set it, and in here. Wait, in here? No. Where is it? Update. When we fight, straight up fight, we're gonna do this. When we shoot, this bullet textures dereferenced at what's it called? Regular. Here we go. Are you serious? Bullet textures. This bullet texture is regular. Well, now it does, doesn't it? Bullet textures. Please. God damn it, I don't have time for this. Bullet textures. Well, the address to it or what? Okay, good. So it's gonna send that in. We're gonna get a bullet texture and it's gonna shoot. Please work. Good Lord hammers, please work. God damn it. Cannot convert from initial. Oh, okay. Whew. Whew. This bullet enemy bullet textures. God damn. That could have been close. Okay, so that's great. That looked really cool. That's pretty cool though. Okay. Enemy bullet textures, enemy textures, enemy bullet textures. Did I do that correctly? Textures. Okay. Enemy bullet textures. Bullet textures. Let me see if I did all this correctly. Enemy textures, bullet textures. Okay. So this textures, this bullet textures, the bullet textures. That's fine. In enemy, everything seems fine. This bullet textures. And this enemy textures. Okay. I mean, what the hell? And in game, let me see. Temp load from file, move left, shoot. Could this be the issue? It not loading this? Could that be the issue? Enemy bullet. That was the issue. Let me just copy paste that in case. Okay, so that was the issue. Now in enemy, I have to update bullet. I have to, or should I do all of that in game, just like I do with player? Player game. So this is the game constructor. Let's go and update. So spawn enemies, update players. Update players, bullets update. Okay, so get bullet and update. That's how we do it. And then enemy, create text tag player death, enemy player collision, enemy bullet update for this enemies at position I. Get bullets at position. Get bullets. Dot size. So this is gonna be K. We're just gonna do this preliminary. We're not gonna do anything special. This enemies at position I. Dot get bullets at position K. Dot update. DT. So they're gonna move in that direction, and now we're fine. Oh my god, that's fast. Holy shit, that is insanely fast. Wow. I don't think but it's working though. Now we want a speed change just before we do anything. Let's do 15 was insane, whatever I had. Here, initial velocity is gonna be 2, max velocity is gonna be 10, acceleration is gonna be 1. Is that how it worked? Acceleration max initial. So 1 max acceleration is 1. Okay. So as the enemy is deleted, all their bullets are deleted as well. Well, what what I could do, okay, max, let's set it at 0, max velocity 5 for these bullets, up 0.5, and this bullets add, and then the shoot timer should be, shoot timer max should be this shoot timer max equals, what is it, 50.f? What is it regularly? Regularly it is 15. So let me set it at 30 at least 50 for default. And then enemy. Now it's going to be a little slower, which is good. Wait, what was it? 1.f. So this shoot timer max is 50. And we're just going to go ahead and let that be. So it won't shoot that fast, not this enemy. It's just going to be a little... Wow, that is really fast. Oh, okay, because it's moving as fast as it's moving. So it looks weird. That's why it looks weird. So plus 3 to have 0.5 F acceleration. And then we're good. Alright, so now it's gonna kind of, that's pretty fast though. I mean, that is insane. That is insane. That's why I didn't want that. I want to have it at 10, I think. But now I know what the problem is. There was no problem, so it doesn't really matter. Let's put it at 10. Start off at 5. Give it a 0.5 increment. And that's going to be pretty damn fast too. Alright. Gotta watch out for the bullets. 5, 7, I think it's start 3. So it's basically gonna just shoot towards me. Yep, so it is working. I didn't really have a problem, but yeah, thanks for waiting for me, guys and girls. That was about it. I just set it to some values. I think I'm gonna have this at 5 actually, because that was too fast as well. Start off at 2. It just looks weird because they're moving at the same time as they're shooting. But I got everything down. The only thing I did was I changed, or I added in bullet. I didn't change anything, I just added so it saves its initial velocity in case we need it later. I thought I needed it now, but I didn't. But yeah, I changed that. And of course we changed some stuff in enemy, in the constructor, and the way we create stuff. So now we create it with a lot less variables, parameters, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Let me just go ahead and just test everything out one last time. Let's see. I didn't get the collision to work with the bullets, enemy bullets, but yeah, what can you do? And I didn't make them disappear. Ow, ow, ow. These guys are crazy, man. Okay. But all the score and everything's working, so we're good. Thank you guys and girls for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next couple of videos, alright? Bye-bye.